The pure water cleaning system from UNGER also includes our modular angle adapter system, which allows you to quickly and safely connect our nLITE telescopic poles to the nLITE power brushes. It's hard to beat for flexibility. You can easily combine the 4 individual elements into countless variants to effortlessly reach hard-to-reach places. Thanks to the FastLock system, changing the brushes is easy and takes seconds. You can adjust the brush angle perfectly for your cleaning task in 45-degree increments. Another plus, the integrated hose management. The highly flexible DuroFlex hose is routed inside the angle adapter. This way, it won't get in your way while you clean. And our proven quick joins ensure a quick and easy connection of the hose to all components. So you can conveniently and safely clean hard-to-reach places, such as glass over entrance areas, solar panels, canopies, or glass surfaces at different angles. Expand your pure water cleaning system and your own cleaning flexibility with our modular angle adapter system and achieve top cleaning results even more easily and efficiently. With the pure water cleaning system from UNGER, you can easily do everything right. We promise. Make an appointment for a consultation today. Find out more here.